An air filter box works with inline fans to remove particles from the air as it passes through the ducting. It allows the ducting to pass through both sides, so it can be placed anywhere that needs the air to be purified. The box itself is easy to operate with a latch to lock the filter in place, and the removable MERV filter allows you to choose what type of particles you want to block. A MERV 13 filter is included, which is able to trap over 90% of mold, mildew, and pollen particles, which makes it great for areas with bad air quality and can reduce the chances of mold and mildew developing on your plants.